Alicia,
Mm.
nganong mahilig magag cats? Now, what can you say about cats or any pets like cats and dogs like that? What can you say about pet lovers, cat lovers, dog lovers like that? What can you say about them?
Okay, so when you are petting or interacting with a cat, it can lower your blood pressure and it can also reduce stress and anxiety and improve cardiovascular health.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, true.
Really? Where did you find it? Can
Here,
I see?
here.
Nag-research siya. What are cats? Secret. Nag-research siya. Okay. Okay. Good.
Yes.
And then,
And the
continue.
next is, and also a cat's purr vibrates at a frequency of 25 to 150 hertz, a range that has been shown to enhance bone density and promote muscle and bone healing in humans.
Oh my God.
So anyone has broken bones, need a cat.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, kat, then katong mga taas og BP,
Need a cat.
katong mga
Need a
stressful.
cat.
Cats. Who is that?
It's some of us.
Some of us.
Yes.
Who?
Well, like you.
Like me?
Your BP is very high. And also for me, I also stressed about math.
Math? Nga naman, dili ka ganhag math o
Yes,
subject.
that's so true. I don't like math.
Okay, so you need cat.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. And also, cats provide affection and unconditional love, but are also self-sufficient, making them lower maintenance pets compared to dogs.
Hmm?
They are ideal for apartment living and busy schedules as they can entertain themselves.
Pero
Don't
ganahan
need to
gyapon
be
kag
walked.
dogs.
Yes.
Ganahan gyapon kag dogs like that.
Yes, but if Ginger was not that super energetic,
Super
I
cute.
would accept.
So ganahan gyapon kana.
Yes. As long Ginger is like very calm and it's not that super energetic. Yeah. And they also don't need to be walked multiple times a day because
Mm.
they are like machines. And also, cats are natural hunters, and even their presence acts as deterrent to rodents and insects, helping to keep your home pest free.
Oh.
They are like a pet that keeps all the insects away so that we don't have to be scared.
Really?
I'm scared of insects. May ganun, iring.
Okay. Okay, good.
Yes, okay. And also,
Napagyud.
early exposure to cats within the first year of a child's life can help strengthen the immune system and lower the risk of developing not only pet allergies but also common allergens like dust mites and grass.
Mm.
So when Lumi is starting to get to go to school, she needs to always have her cat with her, so she won't have like common allergens and won't be allergic to dust mites and grass. So I like the cat na
So,
after finding out.
pagtanggol dyan mo na imong cat, no? Pagtanggol ni mo imong cat. Bisag ingna na ka nga dili ka magsige og gunit sa imong cat kay ang mga balahibo ana.
Yeah, but I like my cat.
Pero ang balahibo man gud sa cat. It's okay man na ang naay cat, pero ang mga balahibo niya ayaw lang kayo ihag.
Limit lang.
May limit lang nimo. Okay? So muna nag-research siya about sa cats.
And also, let
Tay
me
para
tell you
dili
more.
nakukuha ng cats.
I shall tell you more.
Okay, unsa pa? Oh, sus.
Di na ka. Sige lang. Ano ko? And also, cats can jump up to 6 times their body length in a single bound due to robust hind leg muscles and a flexible backbone.
Okay.
So that's so different from humans. We are
So
like
napay cat
cars.
isa oh. A wild cat.
A black tiger.
Mm.